Becoming an aircraft mechanic can feel overwhelming, but Epic Flight Academy is here to help you land the job you're aiming for. Through professional partnerships with leading aviation companies, we provide hiring opportunities for our graduates. By joining Epic's aircraft mechanic program, you'll be on a direct path to a rewarding career. In this video, we'll share more details about the agreements and partnerships Epic Flight Academy has with industry leaders and how they benefit those pursuing a career as an aircraft mechanic. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Epic Flight Academy for more aviation content. Also, if you're interested in starting a career as an aircraft mechanic, visit epicflightacademy.com to see if you qualify to begin training. Epic Flight Academy works diligently to secure partnerships that help our graduates find aircraft mechanic jobs. As a result, we maintain agreements that provide our airframe and power plant graduates with employment opportunities. While many mechanics seek roles with airlines like FedEx and UPS, other technical roles, such as electricians, also require similar skills. The training aircraft mechanics receive in electrical and mechanical fields opens many doors. While no one can guarantee a job, aircraft maintenance careers have proven to be reliable, and with the surge in air travel and space exploration, companies are eager to hire qualified techs. Companies nationwide are looking for FAA-certified graduates from Epic. Building connections with these companies is the first step for many in securing interviews. Our partnership agreements include companies specifically seeking skilled aircraft mechanics. We value these partnerships and are proud that our graduates receive top priority. Here are a few of our partners that help pave the way for our students to succeed as aircraft mechanics. Aerotek is an industry leader in recruiting highly skilled staff for dream jobs. Serving the aerospace and defense sectors, Aerotek actively seeks qualified aircraft mechanics. The company has been recognized by MROs Best of Staffing Talent and named a national top workplace. American Aero Services specializes in the restoration and maintenance of iconic warbirds, military vehicles, armor, and missiles. Their A&P mechanics also perform annual inspections. We're pleased to partner with them through our aircraft mechanic program. AOG MX Maintenance in Daytona Beach provides routine aircraft maintenance, including fabrication, engine overhaul, sheet metal repair, and more. They can even dispatch mechanics to off-site locations and conduct pre-purchase inspections. Ascent Aviation Services is an FAA, EASA, and Class 4 certified repair facility, specializing in all aspects of aircraft maintenance. Serving regional and long-haul aircraft, they offer services such as heavy maintenance, flight line support, storage, and more. Baker Aviation Incorporated, located in New Smyrna Beach, specializes in beechcraft maintenance and avionics services. We're proud to partner with this local company. Cape Air is a regional airline flying across the United States and the Caribbean. With partnerships with major airlines like American and United, Epic graduates will find numerous opportunities here. CommuteAir operates as United Express and hires for various maintenance roles. Their flexible scheduling and career tracks make them an attractive employer for our graduates. GTX Aero Accessories, an FAA Part 145 repair station in Naples, Florida, specializes in aircraft accessories. With over 20 years of experience, they are a trusted partner for Epic graduates. We're also proud to partner with companies like HopaJet, Launch Technical Workforce Solutions, March Aviation, Mountain Air Cargo, Pinnacle Aircraft Engines, Piper Aircraft, Raven Alaska, Southern Airways Express, STS Aviation Group, and many more. Epic itself also hires its own graduates as instructors and mechanics, ensuring they have the knowledge and skills to excel in their careers. Epic's hiring partners frequently visit campus for career fairs, offering students exclusive insights into hiring processes, salaries, and benefits. With a growing need for FAA-trained A&P mechanics, these visits give our students an advantage in understanding what employers are looking for. For example, we have graduates who are working for Envoy Air, PSA Airlines, Delta Airlines, Pratt & Whitney, SpaceX, Aloha Tech Ops, Piedmont Airlines, MAG Aerospace, Frontier Airlines, Spirit Airlines, Textron Aviation, United Airlines, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Columbia Helicopter, Embraer, Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation, and SkyWest Airlines, to name a few. And that's how Epic Flight Academy helps you jumpstart your career as an aircraft mechanic. With our professional partnerships, you're not just receiving top-notch training, you're gaining real opportunities to connect with industry leaders. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in beginning a career as an aircraft mechanic, visit epicflightacademy.com to see if you qualify. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more aviation content from Epic Flight Academy.